Okay guys, so Trigger here. Today we're gonna go for a farm tour video of the homestead. And so we're gonna be showing you where everything is and what we do. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Here we have the chicken coop and the chicken run here. And we have the main pasture there. And then there's the other pasture there, so we can divide them off how we want them. In the wintertime, we just put them in this run right here, so that they won't destroy that pasture, and it'll be nice and green when spring comes. And here we have what we call the turkey pasture. We used to have turkeys here, we don't. This is where we keep some of our goats. Sometimes there are none right here right now. Yes, but this is the turkey pasture. You have the stall right there. The second stall there is for our hay. I'll show you that. Here's the hay stall where we keep the hay bales. And this is the barn here. Alright, so here we have the goat pasture, the main pasture here. Call it the middle pasture. And our 4 of our does right here are in the main pasture right now. Only one of them is pregnant. This doe right here has had 1 kid, and she has had 2. So right now we have 3 kids. If you can see them there, all 3 of them, nice and cute. And up here we have the north pasture. And so the north pasture is one of our 3 pastures, and we'll rotate the goats every once in a while. 2 of them up here, 2 of them over there, some of them in here. We'll just rotate them how we think. It's about every 2 weeks that we rotate them. And here we have the hoop house. That's the hoop house there. It's essentially just a couple cow panels bent over a 2x4 frame with a tarp over it and a sheet metal door. And it's a quick kind of portable shelter for the goats. You can pull it with a tractor if you wanted to. So that's that. Okay guys, so here we have our fruit trees. We have 2 pear trees, 2 apple trees. We have some blackberry bushes down there. And we have a bluebird box that has bluebirds in it right now, which is cool. And 2 beehives right there. And here, right here is our garden pasture. We let it grow up, and then we can let the goats go in there and eat sometimes. Here we have the main garden here. Here's just one of the raised beds that we planted with cover crops. And here are our other raised beds here. We have some strawberries in here, and along with some weeds. We have, this was the cornfield here. We cut the corn stalks down with machete after we got the corn off the stalk. We planted winter rye through here. And over here was the sunflower part of the garden. And we had sunflowers. We did the same thing, planted winter rye through here and cut the stalks down with machete. And here's our nice big pile of mulch here that we'll use coming up here in the summer and spring for gardening. Here's our main strawberry patch here. Some asparagus. Big stalk up there. Big strawberry patch. here's our apple tree. We have one mature one. Those two down there they've produced little apples in the past, but they haven't really put out any fruit yet. And this is our main apple tree right now. As you can see, it's blossoming. So yeah, this is the garden out here. And so we have bees in different spots around the yard. So here's one hive right there. It's not exactly the strongest one we have. And then we have two okay hives over there. They're not extremely large, but they both have queens there. And over here, we have our bigger hives. And we have quite a few of those. That's where we keep our hives. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And we'll have some more videos elaborating on the garden and the homestead and the goats and chickens and the homestead in general. So please like, share, and subscribe.